Hello, everyone. We just finished up reading Monsters Are Due on Maple Street. So, this is what you're going to do today. You are going to, just like what we did for Ricky Tikki, you are going to do a diagramming of, for the plot, Monsters Are Due on Maple Street. So, again, like what you did before, you're just going to simply take each of these boxes and drag them into the correct spaces that they belong in. So remember, exposition is the beginning. This introduces our characters, our setting, usually the main problem and how it gets started. Rising action is usually the largest part of our story or our play or poem, which leads us to our climax, the most exciting part of our story. Then we go to the falling action, which is kind of like wrapping things up to its finished, and resolution would be, how does our story end? So this one's going to be a little bit different. I split it up a little bit more for you guys. So what I have down here in the directions, you're going to again move the text boxes to the correct sections in order that they have happened. This will be graded. So again, 15 points. Move my picture up here. The exposition, falling action, resolution, and climax should have one text box in each of them. Okay, so if you notice here, I put exposition, falling action, climax, and resolution events. These four things are going to go into this box, this box, this box, and this box. So this on the right-hand side, ultimately, you're going to put one of these in the correct spot. So hopefully that'll make it easier on you guys so you have less to choose from. Then we have the rising action events. These all go into rising action. Now, the thing is, you guys need to put them in order. Starting here at the bottom, this should be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You should have 6 of these, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. They should go over here in order, starting with the first one at the bottom. Okay, so that's why this is a total of 10 points. This part, 1 for each of these being in the correct position. Then you go down to this last part. I'm going to ask you that you write a 5-sentence summary about the entire play. Using your plot diagram, you're simply going to start in here, just click in here, and you're going to go ahead and start typing. Your 5 sentences tell me who, what, where, when, and why for the story. Okay, so again, once you have this completed, you're going to turn this in for 15 points. Again, going back up here just to refresh your memory, the exposition, falling action, climax, and resolution events are all listed here. Each of these will go into one of those boxes, and then those ones are completely done. We go into rising action. There are 6 events. You're going to put these in order from first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You're going to put them in the order starting at the bottom, going to the top. Again, once you're done, use that to write your 5-sentence summary of the story. Make sure you turn this in when you're done because this is worth 15 points. 5 points for your 5 sentences in the summary, and then 10 points for each of the 10 events that we have here in the correct order.